Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my friends on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Damavin.
It's Thibo Ring out here. Nice man. Long time no seen. Straight to the game. Look, today it was a game. Two teams, two big teams, have cancelled themselves out. A draw was a fair result, to be honest. Two teams are really cautious when they're approaching the today's game. Remember, it's top of the clash, and they also have experience here, KF. So there's a lot of similarities. Sundowns, we struggle a bit more midfield. Absence here, Teboho Mokoena was felt very much. We couldn't connect, especially from the engine point of view. Usually, Retoma play ka Teboho Mokoena. He's the one who's able to connect all the players. Who spread the passes from left to right. So. So, in a sense of his absence, we really felt it because of Obas usually concentrate on issue marking. He's a player all along who we rely on to retrieve play from the opponents. But after having that ball, what do you do with it? It was very difficult for him to maybe element it's understandable. I forgive him about that. Sales was missing today. He was missing. Not Messiah goal. He was missing. We missed Sales that we saw during the season at home. Today Sales was the weakest link. Couldn't connect passes, couldn't mark, couldn't position appeal. So what happened or what Pirate did? Spaces between Allende, Santos, and Sales. Remember, they are not good markers, the three. So, Umakopa was utilizing that space to come and connect play. I don't know how Coach Arapirate warning for Sapa Makopa. Makopa was a menace. He was a menace. Because of the defender. Remember, when a drifter inside of the middle field, one of the defenders must follow him to make sure a overload from the middle. So Makopa was creating problem. Neche, we really Makopa or appeal. In terms of play, I saw he didn't lose a ball. So I understand why the coach utilized him over Bombata, But even now, I will take advantage. Sundowns shot Mokoena. You make sure you bring big players for big game. The likes of Mbata, Mbuli, Litito, Mola, Stibo, Matata. Sometimes media will say or Sundowns and Matata. Matata go Sundowns Remember they signed players for Compitago Cave. They're out of cave. They've got a number of players by Longor Baba utilizer for league. Coach Ara Pirate he rely on young blood to play. His philosophy is using young players. They were agitated, Pirate supporters.
Yeah.
Agitated before they scored the goal.
Yeah.
Ne, they were under pressure, signaling issue your sap.
Yes.
Understand because of it's where they were supposed to penetrate. More longer, Obas was not comfortable. They're supposed to use that there.
Yeah.
Right and left, yeah, Sundowns. Right and left back. Yeah, Sundowns. They cancel themselves out. Remember, Pirate is strong on the left. Cabo Sundowns is strong on the right. So they cancel. Saitila cancel. Saitila left back. Yeah, Sundowns. We're thinking, how Pirate will utilize the space. Whereby Mudiba did well. You understand? Mudiba did well, bullied them, ruffling them, and I was panicking or autograph red card. But he did well in terms of how we were expecting Pirate to operate on the right. So nonetheless, man of the match, Ngaifa Makhopa, between Makhopa and what he said, mentioned, Coach Pirate out of jail. Hunter policy, he was you take him out or relieve him. Supporter another coach bringing in a Blesser and Basidin regaining the shape again. But magnitude of this game, such results are expected. Sometimes we will expect more because of its clash of the titans.
Yeah.
That's usually what happens. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Damavi.